Not a very Merry Christmas for a lot of folks out there. We're getting reports of the PJM interconnect that covers 13 states is warning of imminent rolling blackouts because of power consumption, power demand. We're also hearing that there is already load shedding happening in Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, and Alabama. This is very big news. We're having lots and lots of flights canceled all across the country. We're going to get into all this and get you more of these updates as they're breaking. This is New Year's Eve. This winter storm is rough, and we're going to try to get through this as best we can. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Poplar Preparedness. I am recovering from surgery, so that's why I'm a little slow. I'm sorry. I'm in some pain, but I'm recovering well. But I need to get this story out to you because this is big stuff. I know a lot of you are being impacted very heavily. Let's get into it. North Carolina. Oh, by the way, if any of you watch Autumn's Backyard Garden, or you would like to, she lost her account. Somebody hacked it and deleted it. I'm going to post in the comment down below where you can find her. You'll want to watch this video, but by the end of that video, you might want to go over there and encourage her because she's really discouraged. She just lost her account, and a lot of people really watch her stuff and love her stuff. All right, North Carolina has 251,000 people without power as of, I just checked poweroutage.us just now. You can do that too. North Carolina has 251,000 people without power. Maine has 203,000 people without power. These are not rolling blackouts. These are people who have lost service. New Hampshire, 50,000. New York, 60,000. South Carolina, just south of 60,000. The PJM interconnect covers 13 states. It covers almost the entirety of Virginia, West Virginia, Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and New Jersey. And then it also covers some parts of Indiana, some parts of Illinois, some parts of Kentucky, some parts of North Carolina. If you are in those affected areas, realize that they are saying that they could start rolling blackouts across the PJM interconnect. I am part of that myself. We've had some interspersed loss of power. I believe that was storm related, but we have not experienced rolling blackouts here yet. We are experiencing rolling blackouts already in Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, and I got an email from one of you sending me the information, a screenshot of it, that in northern Alabama, you're also getting load shedding there. It was a warning, and then also power was shut off. Several of you checked in about you losing power due to rolling blackouts in North Carolina. Thank you for those updates. I want to keep getting this information out to you. The PJM interconnect's the big one right now because if that starts rolling blackouts, that is a massive, massive set of states that we're talking about, and it also impacts yours truly, which is of obvious concern to myself. But they said that demand on Friday night was 9 gigawatts beyond projections. They said that that's equivalent to 9 million more homes suddenly appearing on the grid. And that is why they may have to go into rolling blackouts. Duke Energy, I'm sorry, I had surgery on my stomach, and so that's why I'm not able to project as well, and my lungs are pushing up against that, and that's why I apologize. Please do keep praying for my recovery. Duke Energy, which covers the Carolinas, and Duke Energy Progress, they are in rolling blackouts. That's why North Carolina and South Carolina and then Tennessee is having those things happening right now. They are also overwhelmed by the demand for electricity. So what do you do about it? Folks, I don't have time to get into all of it right now. I will give you a super brief overview of what to do to prepare your home for power outage. Alternate heat source. You need an alternate heat source. What's your alternate heat source going to be? Make sure you have ventilation for your alternate heat source. Okay? Make sure that you have air coming into the heat source, and then The exhaust is going out, not where you are. This is how people die. If you get into your car in your garage and turn it on to stay warm, that'll keep you warm, but it'll also kill you. Don't do that. If you have to use your car, pull it outside. Pull it outside. Do not use it in an enclosed space. Make sure that exhaust is going out into the wind, okay? It's going to be less effective for heat, but it will keep you warm. Park outside. Do that. And make sure that if you have a carbon monoxide detector, you need a carbon monoxide detector if you don't have one already. You need a carbon monoxide detector to do that. If you're inside your home, pick one room and you're struggling to survive, one room. Put blankets up all the way around the room. Put cushioning, put insulation everywhere you can go, all the way around, okay? If you have a door, you want to kind of blockade the door and make sure like air doesn't go underneath of it or around it. You want this to be on the inside of your house. If you can get it underground, that's even better. You want a warm room. You're going to make that room warm. You're going to cook in it. You're going to sleep in it. Everyone's going to sleep in it. All of your body heat is going to warm up that room. So just that, even without a heat source, get a warm room. All climb in there and huddle up together. Get your blankets, huddle in. If you have something to cook some food up with, you're going to want to heat. You're going to cook with that. If the power comes on and off, heat up that warm room as fast as you can. Use electric heaters if you need to. If the power comes on, heat up that room. Get it nice and warm. If you're going to let the rest of your house freeze, or if you're being forced to do that, make sure you turn off your water, please. Turn off your water and then drain. Go down to your basement or as low as you can and open up the water to drain all the water out of things, okay? Realize that your hot water heater also has water in it. If you're concerned about that, drain your water heater, okay? Get the water out of your pipes. If you're going to let the rest of the house freeze, do that, or else the water damage is going to be really bad. Hit that water cut off. You'll thank me later. When you're draining your pipes, you might want to drain it into some water containers that you can take into your warm room so you'll have water in there. Water may not come back on. With power outages, water may go off. If it's just rolling blackouts, you should be okay. You should have water still consistent. But if your house freezes, then the pipes freeze and you may lose water. So make sure you have water, have food, have heat. A heat source like a little buddy heater, like I've suggested having, is a great source. If you have a power unit, you can do like a electric blanket. If you have one, that's great. Not great to use those electric power packs for electric heaters because it will drain it super fast. Not so great. Bundle up, wear lots of clothes, layer. Just put on lots of layers of clothes on top of you to keep warm. Okay, folks, do that. If you want to watch a Christmas video, I have my Bible channel has the Advent series of sermons up that I preached before my surgery. This morning, one dropped over there. It's over on my Bold Faith Bible. Just type into the search bar, Bold Faith Bible. I know. Autumn's Backyard Garden. Check out, support her. Bold Faith Bible if you want to check out some Christmassy sermons. And if you want to know more about what to do to prepare for the blackout and to stay warm, check out this video right here that I made a while back on how to create that warm room and how to keep your house warm. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Steve Poplar, Poplar Preparedness, out.